Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video I'm going to show you on how to enable battery saver and improve your battery performance on Windows 10 laptop. So let's see. So the very first thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here, and then you have to navigate to your battery icon on your Windows PC. Click on it. So after click on your battery icon, this is going to pop up. Next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to battery settings, and it's going to load up like so. Now, next thing you want to do is to make sure you come to where you have battery saver right here. Make sure you turn on this. And having turned on this button, next thing you want to do is to come down below right here. Make sure you check on this. Lower screen brightness while in battery saver. It's as simple as that. So with this, you have enabled battery saver and improve the battery performance of your Windows laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.